Isang Chinese national daw na nagre-recruit ng mga aktibo at retiradong mga sundalo na huli na ayon sa Department of Information and Communications Technology. Kaugnay niyan, may nakalapang report si Bombo Isa Cotonera.
Kinumpirma ni Department of Information and Communications Technology Secretary Ivan John Uy na nahuli na ang Chinese national na may kinalaman sa pagre-recruit gamit ng internet sa mga aktibo at retiradong sundalo mula sa bansa. Kasalukuyan ng nasa kustodiya ng Bureau of Immigration ang naturang Chinese national upang imbestigahan para sa mga kasong kanyang ginawa na may kinalaman sa online recruitments, overstaying sa bansa at kawalan ng work permit.
So nahuli na po, no? Nahuli na itong individual na ito. He's currently under the custody of the Bureau of Immigration. This was a joint operation po ng Bureau of Immigration, the National Bureau of Investigation, the Armed Forces of the Philippines, NICA, and DICT. So he was residing in Makati City, 39 years old, no? Mr. Fang from Wuhan, Hubei province of China. And he's been working in the country illegally, and he's also a suspect in the online recruitment. He's a suspect in the online recruitment that was targeting government and military personnel. So he's currently facing inquest proceedings with the Department of Justice to really find out the details of his involvement.
Kaugnay nito, natukoy rin ng ahensya ang naging modus operandi ni Mr. Fang kung saan nag-aalok ito ng malaking halaga ng pera para ma-recruit ang mga biktima at makakuha ng impormasyon tungkol sa mga operasyon pagdating sa militar at seguridad ng bansa. Samantala, nagbabala rin si Uy sa mga susubok na gagawin muli ang mga ganitong iligal na mga aktibidad. Anya, uulihin at ipapakulong ng ahensya ang sino mang mapapatunayan no gumagawa nito, galing man sa bansa o kahit mga dayuhan.
This is just a warning to everybody, both local and foreign, that if you do these kinds of activities, we will not stop. We will hunt you down, and we are going to bring just and the full force of the law on you and put you behind bars and make you famous online. Makilala ng lahat ng tao kung anong mga kalokohan na ginagawa ninyo online. So don't think that you can just hide behind fake names or anonymous identities, because we are working, and it's not just the Philippines. No, we are working with partners abroad also in going after these kinds of activities.
Para sa Bombo Network News, Bombo Isa Cotonera, nag-uulat para sa #1 and most trusted radio network in the country, Bombo Radio Philippines. Basta Radyo, Bombo!